Pickles the guy in Jamaican YouTuber. Alright guys, so here's the deal. Here is the deal. So today is Judge Star's Kampai party, silent headphone party in Tokyo. But here's the problem I'm having. I left the house late. I was supposed to bring some liquor. I said I wasn't going to buy any alcohol. But should I? Because then, you know, I mean. So here's the... I have to catch a train at 12:55. It's now 12:35. So I have to either... I haven't eaten either. So I have to run to the liquor store, then run to the train station in time, in 20 minutes. So let's see how this goes. Alright, alright, so scratch that. I am not catching the money. I mean, I'm not getting the alcohol again. So try to catch a train, just got some supplies for food. And there's a train coming in. I have like 2 minutes, so alright. So the very important thing when you're taking the train in Japan is to make sure you read the signs and the transfers and the train times. Don't ever take anything for granted. Alright, so we're here at the silent party, Kampai in Kasai Rinkai Koen, alright, in Tokyo. Come through, crazy vibes. Look at the beach. Woo. But drink a little bit more than a little bit, you know me, man. How you doing, man? How you doing, man?
What is that?
No, me good, you know. I only me have worry about. Cause them boy. YouTube video. Bro, drink too much. What's your face?
Never too much, never too much.
Man, frost. Then the next junk boy, brain bust up.
You have brush your yard?
No?
You say washing machine is right?
Yeah. Paper. Paper, me not lie. Trouble go on today. 40, I don't know how much people leave. A good amount of people there today. And let me tell you something, people. Trouble! Hennessy busting on my head. Champagne busting on my head. Everything busting on my head. I'm a producer, this isn't it? So, champagne busting on my head, yeah.
The next hit.
Hennessy busting on my head, yeah. The yard man roll out instead, yeah. Everything run out again, say Hennessy bust up in a head chase with the cranberry. We not worry about girl, cause we have so many. Whee! You! Good morning, people. The moment I have been waiting on, you've been waiting on, some of you, is finally here. The merch is here. Actually made a ulterior design to this on the site. I'm dropping it in the links down below. Alright then, alright. Girl, come give me love. Girl, come give me love. You the type of girl that I've been really searching for. Girl, come give me love. Girl, come give me love. You the type of girl that I've been really searching for.